Yo antah pravishya mama vachamimam prasuptam. Yes, sleeping senses, dead senses. But Bhagavan Sanjeevayati Akila Shakti Dhara Swadamna. Oh, Akila Shakti Dhara, your Swadamna, internal energy you have infused. Sanjeevani, Sanjeevayati Yuta. You have enlivened now. Enliven my sleeping senses, Bhagavan, with your Akila Shakti Dhara. Anyamscha hasta charana shravana tvakadin. Yes, Bhagavan, your internal energy, Sandhini Shakti. Yes, Bhagavan, I feel it in the feet, in the hands, and in my skin. Not just that, Bhagavan. Pranan namo bhagavate purushaya tupyam. Parama purushaya tupyam. Feel it in the life air too, Bhagavan, going down to you. That's the infusion of Sandhini Shakti. Merciful glance of Sadhu Guru. The Vani Shabda Brahman of Sadhuvani infuses us with Sandhini Shakti. When Sandhini Shakti speaks about the glories of the Nama, Jaya Jaya Harinama Chidananda Amritadama. The Harinama is the Dhamma filled with the nectar. Bhagavan is here. The whole Vraja is here. Bhagavan is here. Jivedaya, Korile Apara. In order to give us infinite mercy, unlimited and infinite mercy, Bhagavan has come. Nama Rupe Avatari. Nijajani Kripa Kuri Nama Rupe Avatari. Bhagavan has come in this Nama Rupa. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is Nama Rupa Avatari. Why is this Nama Rupa Avatari here with us now? Very mercifully allowing us to serve. Nijajani Kripa Kuri wanted to bestow mercy. To take us out of the Dhamma and to infuse us with the Prema. This is the Nama given by Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Very mercifully given to us, personally to each one of us by Gaura Priyajana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. How much of this Chit Ananda Amritadama is entering into me? How much am I allowing Bhagavan to enter into me? This Bhagavad Shakti to enter into me. All that I have to do during japa is bow down and let this Bhagavad Shakti enter into me. Let it take over this Kama-filled mind, the Kama-filled intelligence, Kama-filled Ahamkara. Let this Prema-filled Nama take over this Kama-filled mind, intelligence, Ahamkara, and get rid of this disease and fill us with Prema, Bhagavad Prema. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Cheto Darpanam Arjanam Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Dharanam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhivartanam Pratipatam Purna Mrita Swatanam. सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम् नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति से भगवान श्री नाम प्रभु you are here with all your shaktis तत्रार्पिता नियमित स्मरणेन कालम् एतत्ऋषि तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि धूर्ताइव मित्रशमिह जनिनानुरागः I'm in a very precarious condition. Shri Nam Prabhu very kindly, so very kindly enter into this karma filled arena and fill it with prema. Prema to Bhagavan. Hey Gauranga, Golokera Premadana, Harinama, Samkirtana. Trinadapi Sunichena Tarorivasa Hishnamani Namanadena Kirtaniya Sada Hari. My only occupation as one belonging to Guru and Krishna is to simply receive this Prema Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is Kirtaniya Sadari. Nadanam Najanam Nasundarim Kavitam Vajagati Shakamaya Janmani Janmani Shwari Bhavatat Bhaktiya Haitukitvai Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitama Vishame Bhavam Bhutau. If I don't feel like I belong to you, Guru and Krishna, Guru and Gauranga, I'm a patita, fallen. Who do I think I belong to in this world? To these modes? To this mind? To this corrupted intelligence, ego? To the people of this world? To the things of this world? Who do I think I belong to if I don't belong to you, Sri Guru and Gauranga? I am lost. I am lost in the ocean of karma if I don't see myself belonging to you, Guru and Gauranga. So very kindly, please pick me up from this poisonous ocean of modes. And then kindly place me as a dust particle, saffron dust particle, at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Because I belong to you, Guru and Gauranga, I'm supposed to be filled with love of Godhead because I belong to you, Guru and Gauranga. Very kindly place me as a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanayatkadarthaya giram pulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama grihane kavishyati yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravashyayitam. If I don't see myself belonging to you, Guru and Gauranga, I am fish out of the water, suffocating, fighting for life. So very kindly put me in the waters of love of Godhead, Sri Guru and Gauranga. Yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravashyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena Aslishyava padaratam pinastunam adarshanam marmahatam karotuvam yada tatha vidadhatavlam pato matprananathastu sayeva naparaha. You are the Prananatha, Shri Gopinatha, Shri Harinam Prabhu. You are my Prananatha. Only Prithivasta. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. whoever recites or hears this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadham Nama Lele Paye Premadhanam. Of all the angas of Bhakti, Nama Sankirtana is the best because it gives us Premadhana. Atha eva nama matra Vaishnavera dharma. If I am to be called as Vaishnava, then Nama is my dharma. It is this Nama that unfolds into Name Prasputita Hoila Rupa Guna Karma. Rupa Guna Karma. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।